Let's discuss the cardinality of these three sets. The universal set is x is a whole number and x is between 1 and 19, inclusive, including 1, including 19. So that's why there is an equal under the less than sign. So the universal set is from 1 to 19. What is the cardinality? The cardinality is the size. So how many elements do you see in the universal set? The answer is there are 19 elements. So we write n of the universal set is equals to 19. And then set A is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the cardinality of set A is how many? So just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the cardinality of A is 8. Because you count the number of elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What about B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the cardinality of B is 7. So the cardinality of B is equals to 7. The cardinality of C is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the cardinality of C and C is equal to 4. Let's fill out the Venn diagram. So the Venn diagram, we have a yellow circle for A, a blue circle for B, and an orange circle for C. We should take care of the intersection first. So how many numbers or how many elements do A and B share? I can see that they both share the 5, 6, and they share the 11, the 10, and the 12. So they share 5, 6, 10, and 12. How about A and C? I don't think A and C share any elements in common. Nope, so A and C is just an empty set. So the A intersects C, you do not put any numbers in there. How about B intersects C? B and C, I can see that they share what? They share 16 and 18. So they share 16 and 18. 16 and 18. So B intersects C is 16, comma 18. How about A, B, and C? I don't see any elements that A, B, and C share simultaneously. So A, B, and C is just empty. Okay, so what else goes in the yellow circle A? So everything that is not in circle, 7, 8, 9, 11. Now, answer this question for me. Do I still need to mention 5, 6, 10, and 12? The answer is no, because no repetition. You already mentioned that in A intersect B, so that means you cannot mention them in the yellow circle A anymore, because when you consider the entire set A, you do 7, 8, 9, 11, 5, 6, 10, and 12. The 5, 6, 10, and 12, although you put that in A intersect B, that is what they share in common. But those numbers, they still belong to A. How about B? Everything that is not in circle, right? So that would be 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Do not mention 5 and 6 because you already did. You already mentioned that in A intersect B. So no repetition. Do not put the 5 and 6 in the blue circle. Just don't put that in blue, right? Because the A and B, they both belong to the yellow circle and the blue circle. Okay, what else? The A and C. So since A and C, they don't share anything in common, then A and C is empty. A and B and C, that is also empty. What about C? C, you already mentioned 16 and 18. So in the orange circle, you can only mention 17 and 19. Are we done? Do we have any number outside of these three circles? The answer is yes. Take a look. Take a look at the universal set. We never mention 1, 2, 3, 4 in sets A, B, and C, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 goes outside of the three circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we just completed the Venn diagram. The next thing that I would like to do is I would like to answer everything on the right. So the A intersect B, A and C, B and C, A, B, C, A union B, A union C, so on and so forth. As we move down, you won't see these problems anymore. Now it is a good time to pause the video to write it down, or you take a screenshot of this. I will just pause the video to write this down. Okay, first, A and B. How many elements in A intersect B? So this means A and B. What A and B share in common? So that is 5, 6, 10, and 12. What's the cardinality? The cardinality is 4, right? I will just write n equals to 4. I understand what it is. The cardinality is 4. But the textbook, they want to do everything formally. So they do n, A intersect B, that is equals to 4. How about AC? A intersect C. Do A and C share anything in common? Look at the picture. The answer is no. So no means you don't write no. You write that is an empty set. Nothing. 0 and a slash. So that means empty set. So what's the cardinality? There is no element, then n is equals to 0. How about B intersect C? B and C. So B and C, they share 16 and 18. Then the cardinality is equals to 2. 2 elements. How about A, B, C? A and B and C. They do not share any numbers in common. So that is just empty set. Nothing. So the cardinality is equals to 0. The next thing is A union B. So A union B. So A union B, that includes A or B or both. So what is in A? A is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I have to remind you that between A and B, they share 5, 6, 10, and 12 in common. 10 and 12 in common. So above, instead B, I should circle the 10 and 12 as well. So they share those 4 numbers in common. When you write the elements for B, do not repeat these 4 numbers. Do not repeat them, all right? So 5, 6, we did it. 10, 12, we did it. Then we go 14, 16, and 18. So how many numbers? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So n is equals to 11, or you can say n, the cardinality of A union B is equals to 11. What about A union C? A union C. So let me just go up a little. I also copy and paste this over. So yes, I can just use this right here. So the next one is A union C. So A union C, do they share any numbers in common? No, then just go for it. You don't need to worry about repetition. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 16, 17, 18, and 19. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So n is equals to 12. The cardinality is equals to 12. The next one is B union C. B and C, do they share any numbers in common? The answer is yes. They share the 16 and 18 in common. So when you write the 16 and 18, be careful. Do not repeat them. 5, 6, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Do not repeat 16 and 18. Just go 17 and 19. What's the cardinality? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The cardinality is n equals to 9. And then we have A union empty set. A union empty. Then what is A union empty? Empty set is just nothing, right? So A union empty set is just A. So you just repeat A. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the cardinality is 8, right? So n is equals to 8. How about A n empty set? The union is or. This intersection is n. So that is just A. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the cardinality is 8. And the next one, let's do some complement. So complement, the first complement I asked for is A union B complement. A union B complement. So what is in A union B? So just look all the way up. So that is in A union B. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right there. Right there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18. So that is in A union B. I am asking for all the numbers that is not in that set. So that includes, you have to look at the universal set. So you have to mention the 1 to 5 right here. The 1 to 4. So you have to mention those as well. So you have to go from 1 to 4, and then the rest you have to skip all the way to 12, and then skip 14, 16, and 18. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 13. That is not in A union B, right? And then 15. And then 16 is there, 18 is there, so 17 and 19 then. So you did not mention 1, 2, 3, 4 in A union B. You did not mention 13. You mentioned 12. And then you mentioned you did not mention 13. And then 14 you mentioned that, and then 15. 16, 17, 18, 19. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the cardinality is 8. And then the last one is A intersect B. A intersect B complement. So where is A intersect B? A intersect B is, we should go up to the picture. So A intersect B. A intersect B, look at the Venn diagram. A intersect B is 5, 6, 10, and 12, right? Between the yellow circle and the blue circle. 5, 6, 10, 12. So let's write this down. A union B is 5, 6, 10, and 12. So that means we want all the numbers in the universal set except 5, 6, 10, and 12. So look at the universal set. Let's put some X on the numbers that we do not want to include. 5, 6, 10, and 12, right? So you copy the entire universal set and exclude those 4 X marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. No 5, no 6. 7, 8, 9, no 10, 11, no 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that is 19 numbers you excluded 4, so the cardinality is 15. So you want all the numbers except the 5, 6, 10, and 12. Alright, so that is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful, let me know in the comment below. Like the video, share the video for me, subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Signing out for now.